Hello and welcome to a brand new video. Today we're taking a quick look at ZimaOS, HexOS, and CasaOS, but specifically from a home server perspective. I've got the websites open for visuals, but we're talking about how each OS stacks up for home server use. First, ZimaOS. It's a lightweight customizable system that's very capable for server setups if you like fine-tuning things yourself. HexOS is more traditional, stable system, not flashy, but solid if you want something reliable with less maintenance. And CasaOS is designed specifically for home servers, actually, from media management to smart home apps. It's built for this kind of use right out of the box. Now, right off the bat, CasaOS wins hands down for ease of setup. You install it, and within minutes, you have a dashboard for adding apps, managing storage, controlling devices. No deep technical knowledge needed. ZimaOS gives you a ton of flexibility, but you'll spend more time setting up exactly how you want it. It's great if you're experienced, but maybe overkill if you just want a quick, fast setup. And HexOS, it sits somewhere in between actually. It's straightforward to install and stable to run, but it doesn't come with built-in home server tools like CasaOS does. You'll need to add those yourself. All three are pretty lightweight, but there are differences. CasaOS is super customizable for small devices like Raspberry Pi or mini PCs. It's perfect if you're building a low-power server. ZimaOS is lightweight but a little heavier because of broader capabilities. Still efficient, but not quite as minimal as CasaOS. And HexOS runs well on older hardware too, but it's more tuned for desktop use than server performance, so you might need to tweak it a bit for best results. Here's a quick breakdown. CasaOS is perfect if you want an easy-to-use dedicated home server, media server, smart home hub, personal cloud, it's all there. ZimaOS is for users who want maximum control over their server environment and they don't mind putting in extra setup time. And HexOS works best if you want a stable base for a server, but you're comfortable installing and configuring your own tools afterwards. And that's a quick home server comparison for ZimaOS, HexOS, and CasaOS. If you want a plug-and-play experience, CasaOS is a strong pick. If you want full control, ZimaOS gives you the tools. And if you want a stable, low-maintenance setup you can customize later, HexOS might be the right for you. Which one are you thinking about using? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech breakdowns, and I'll see you in the next one.